sorry, dumping water straight down into this, causing this whole thing to settle. Gus, Ponce Single Leak Detective. Okay, so this is their driveway here, and that's their garage. So their driveway is about 2 inches settled down. It's all the way across there. That's some pretty severe settling. And this isn't a house I'm even looking at. This is a house next to a house I'm looking at. I'm actually checking out this house over here. So, but the funny thing is I just see these things. So look for these things. Look for settling in your driveway. If you see your driveway, you're having to roll over a big bump, well, check it out. This one was so obvious they don't even need to call the leak detective. They just need to do good maintenance for your gutters and downspouts. So see this little weird, I don't even know what this thing is. I'm afraid to touch it. But I'm sure this thing is dumping water straight down into this, causing this whole thing to settle. So if you can look for those things like settling, bad settling, I'm going to do another video on this house over here. I think this was really interesting too. And you don't know what's going on, you just see settling, you want someone to help figure it out, call me, call me 402-309-3911. And you can visit my website, www.leakdetective.net. Hope you're having a good holiday season. We're in the Bermuda Triangle of holidays. First Thanksgiving, Christmas, then New Year's. Hope you're having a good and safe one. Have a good one. Bye-bye. So another quick, sorry, it's hard to hold this camera sometimes, video on what to look for, I guess. Do you think your house is having a problem? You may not have a leak in the basement, but if I could get people to start thinking about these problems, check it out.